So we have GBPCAD. So I'm gonna go to the weekly. All right, so this one is iffy because you would think that, well, all of this right here is a mess. I'm not gonna lie. And if you see this white line here, because I'm trying to track divergence, I'm trying to implement that back into my trading plan. I wasn't trading with divergence all last year, so I'm trying to implement it back. So I think that what's going to happen with GCAD is it going to bounce down, retest, give us some more bearish momentum, and then probably pop back up. You know, that's what I'm thinking is going to happen. So if I was to get into this trade and ride it, because look at it, it's been bullish for a very, very long time. It's been bullish for a very long time. So it is risky to try to hop in on a counter trend trade, but I think that's what's going to play out. And yeah, so we have this level. So it's a lot to consider when it comes to confluence wise. Like, we do have a head and shoulders, boom, and then we're retesting the neckline. So it's kind of beautiful, to be honest with you. Like, market structure is so beautiful. Like, we're retesting the neckline. We do have this crazy bullish candle here on the daily, and look who's here to play. We have the EMA here as well. So honestly, I would just go down to the 4 hour, and I'll just wait for the market to show me something. Right now, if you see this crazy bullish candle, I'm not going short right after this crazy bullish candle. I don't care if I miss this trade. I don't care if markets open later on today and it's just boom. Nah, I would wait. I'll just wait for a bearish market shift. And with this, I will probably have to take this all the way down to like the 1 hour, just to be honest with you. Yeah, you see, I'll have to take this down to the 1 hour. To the 1 hour. Whoa, what are we doing here? What are we doing here? So on the 1 hour, what I would do is I'll wait for a low to create to form, so I can get my EMA to be above price, so that I can retest that low, come down, retest that low in EMA, then to go short. So my entry actually might end up being like somewhere down here, to be honest. My entry might end up being somewhere down here. Alright, I think that's probably it.